Bueno. Piny owacho mamalo kokale bad migao ma ochung'ne chenro mag gedo mag ute ikore ne chako gedo mar ute 400 ma nengogi oyueyo e boma ma Homa Bay. Gedo no owinjore ochakore giko dweni mar 11 kendo igeno ni jatend Kenya William Ruto biro yuoroe. Gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga kod jakom bodno ng'ene Gituku ne oketo ogirimiti e wi gedo no. Gituku wacho ni gidhi gero ute manyangafu ne dak mar oganda kendo idhi tiek gedo magi e kinde ma owinjore.
First housing project under the new administration. To this end, it is imperative that we work together as a team and synergize our efforts so as to ensure that we deliver the best possible housing project. We must ensure that the final product is a masterpiece that can be used as a reference across this country.
The first one will begin with 110 units being done under Sector A, with the first 110 houses. The groundbreaking will happen later this month, and that is what I think the chairman and the MD have both said. His Excellency the President will be coming to launch. I want to call upon local residents to start preparing to raise bids to buy these houses. These houses will be bought by ourselves.